children, today we are going to learn science class 4 lesson number 8 animals and their young ones. In this lesson we are going to learn today about the birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Birds will reproduce by the laying eggs. Most birds make nests to lay their eggs and bring up their young ones. What happened? Most probably most all the birds will lay their eggs, and what they will do, their young eggs, and bring up their young ones, and they will get their young ones. Okay, they will give the birth to their young ones by laying the egg. Within the eggs, the embryo goes through various stages of developments before it hatches, and the baby birds come out. What happened? Within the eggs, when it will come, in that within the eggs, the embryo goes through various stages. The embryo will go through the various stages of developments before it hatches and the baby bird come out. When it will hatch, that time baby bird will come out of that embryo. The baby bird then grows into an adult. Then the baby bird, then it will grow into an adult. All the stages of development from an embryo to make mature adult make up the life cycle of an animal. When the embryo is getting the mature, means certain days afterwards it will get the mature, then what will happen? Adult make up the life cycle of a animal. Then after that it will start to become a life cycle of the animals. You can see in this cycle, first hen will lay the egg, it will sit on that. Then afterwards the chick will come out of the egg, again it will go into the chicken. Okay, chicken will come out to the egg, again it will grow, then again it will become a hen, again it will lay the egg, again same process. It is known as the life cycle of a hen. It will be continuously. Again this hen will lay egg, again this hen will sit on that egg, again from the egg new chicken will be come outside. Okay, and then again it will grow, then again it will become a hen. Same process it will follow. Choose the correct option. Animals that give the birth to young ones are called as mammals. An egg has a thin protected shell is known as a eggshell. The dash develops into a baby, the embryo. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Okay, now we'll go for the other eggs laying animals, and many more animals are there, that is other laying animals. Not only birds but animals like a frog and fishes to lay the egg. Commonly birds will lay the egg, but not only birds will lay the eggs. Other animals like a frog and fishes, they will also lay the eggs. To lay the eggs, they lay eggs in a water. This frog and fishes, they will lay the egg in a water. A frog lay eggs in a large cluster called as a spans. They will lay the egg large cluster, means many eggs they will leave. A tadpole hatched out of the eggs which look very different from the adult frog. Tadpole means what? The baby will come out of this eggs, and it will look from the different from the frog. Okay, you can see this is you can compare here only. First they will lay the eggs, afterwards then the baby will come like this way outside, but you can see it is a different frog. It will not look like a same frog. Okay, that's why they told tadpole hatch out of the egg which look very different from a adult. This is an adult frog, and this is after the giving birth, it will look like this way, but it is a very different. It undergoes several changes before it become an adult. This is called as a metamorphosis. Now, what is this metamorphosis means? What meaning? It will take a many changes to become a frog. That is known as a metamorphosis. Okay, that is known as a metamorphosis. Butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly also shown metamorphosis, means it will take the many stages and it will take the different stages. That is known as a metamorphosis. It has 4 stages. It will be having 4 stages. The young on which hatch out from the legs is called as a larva, caterpillar. First one, it will hatch, that is known as a larva, otherwise caterpillar. The next, the caterpillar looks very different from fully grown butterfly. Now caterpillar, it will look fully different like a butterfly. Okay. The caterpillar feeds on a mulberry leaves and grow rapidly. Now caterpillar, it will grow on the mulberry leaves. You can see there, here mulberry leaves will be there. On that mulberry leaves, caterpillar will be grown. After some time, it stop eating and from a covering called as a pupa around itself. Later, it bursts open and the butterfly comes out. First stage, it will be they will lay the eggs. Then it will become a caterpillar. Then it will become a pupa. Then after the pupa, it will convert like in a butterfly. These are the stage of the butterfly. It will take the 4 stage. This is known as a metamorphosis. Okay. The larva of housefly is called as a magota. All insects hatch from the eggs. Some insects like a grasshopper and cockroach have 3 stages in their life cycle. Now the cockroach also, they will be having 3 stages in their life. The baby insect that come out from the egg is called as a nymph. Okay, it is known as a nymph. The baby insect will come from the cockroach. First cockroach will lay the eggs. After the egg, it will become a small baby, that is known as a nymph. It is said its old skin, then whatever on the skin it will be there, it will shed their skin like a snake. Snake also, it will shed their skin. This process is called molting and thus it changes into an adult. This process is called as a molting and thus it changes into an adult. Okay. Adult cockroach, life cycle of a cockroach. Here they gave the life cycle of a cockroach. Here it is a life cycle of a butterfly. And one more is we learned today life cycle of a frog. And one more it is learned life cycle of a hen. Today we learned 4 life cycles. Okay children, I hope you understood.